Let's go straight to some breaking news just coming in. SIT head and DDG Operation Sanjay Singh is now reaching Mumbai with his team to probe the Aryan Khan drugs case and 5 other cases. Delhi team of NCB officers took the 9:35 a.m. Air India flight. They will be reaching Mumbai between 11 and noon today. The same special investigation team is also going to be investigating the truck case related to Nawab Malik's son-in-law, Sameer Khan. So we finally have the Delhi team of the Narcotics Control Bureau taking over the high-profile cruise drugs bust case in which Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan is an accused. There are 5 other cases also that Sameer Wankhede will not be probing, and this team is going to be looking into it, including the case involving Sameer Khan, the son-in-law of Nawab Malik. Pankaj Upadhyay is getting us more details on that story. So this decision has now been finally taken after the ouster of Sameer Wankhede. Pankaj.
Can you repeat the question, please?
I was saying that this obviously is a fallout of Sameer Wankhede's ouster that we have seen with the central team now taking over.
Yes, Neha, absolutely. We saw how Sameer Wankhede was in the eye of a political storm ever since independent witness Prabhakar Sahel had leveled serious allegation of bribery and extortion against Sameer Wankhede. And since it became a question of credibility of the Narcotics Control Bureau, we saw how the NCB headquarters also formed a vigilance team. And this vigilance team was sent to Mumbai as well. Sameer Wankhede was questioned as well. There were allegations that were being leveled against Sameer Wankhede from various quarters, that he was specifically targeting the various Bollywood personalities. Nawab Malik, the cabinet minister, went on to the extent of saying that the entire Mumbai cruise drug bust case was fake. And he leveled charges of extortion, and that he said Aryan Khan had been kidnapped. And that the barrage of accusation continues till today. And now what has happened is that the Aryan Khan case, along with some big cases, like the one involving Nawab Malik's son-in-law and also involving another Bollywood personality, Arman Kohli, these cases have been now shifted from the Mumbai NCB to Delhi NCB. Sameer Wankhede, who was the lead investigator in the Aryan Khan case, will no longer be the lead investigator. He will only be in the role of helping the operations branch of the Delhi Narcotics Control Bureau. So this is a big news coming from Mumbai, and the SIT, which has now been formed under Sanjay Kumar, the senior IPS officer of the Odisha cadre, is that SIT is going to come down to Mumbai, and we are hearing that around 11:30 that the team is going to come down to Mumbai. It is going to review the 6 cases which it has now taken over. And on the other hand, there is no end to the politics as well. Nawab Malik is continuing with the accusations. He has said that he was the one who had demanded a SIT after the allegations of extortion has come out. Now there are 2 SITs. One, the Maharashtra government has formed the SIT under the Mumbai police. Second, now there is a center SIT team as well, and he still says now it's a wait and watch game to see that which SIT comes out with the various revelations about this very case.
Interesting developments there. Pankaj Upadhyay, thanks for getting us up to speed with that.